Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Viewers, right now in front of you Epson Aculaser C2900 model color laser jet printer. Now the problem is with this printer is jamming the paper, and if got jammed, I will let you know how to release the jammed paper. For example, first of all, I will give the command report printer settings, panel setting, PCL font list, any paper job history. For example, I will give the command. Okay, it's printing jobs history processing, refreshing. Please wait, you will see. Okay, you can see here paper is jammed here. Okay, if you want to release the paper, I will let you know how to release the paper without cutting the paper inside the fuser sleeve. The message here on the display: jam at front cover, jam at exit. Okay, here is the button on right side. Press this button and pull it down. Okay, now you can see paper is here. Don't push because it's very hard. Okay, it's inside the fuser, so if you will by forcefully you will pull this paper, it will disconnect inside, and then you have to disassemble the fuser unit complete. So I will tell you how smoothly you can remove the jammed paper. First of all, remove the top cover from the right button, then pull it down. Okay, you can see here is paper also. It's very hard, you cannot pull. There are two side buttons one is from the right side and other is on the left side. This button, okay, make it like this, pull it little. Okay, it will release the pressure in the fuser. Okay, then you can slowly from here or from top, okay, pull the paper. Okay guys, and then place it back as it is before. And secondly, just go close this covers and close this. It's still showing jam at. We'll open and close again. This is now ready state. So this was the way how to release the paper if it's got jammed inside the fuser. I will repeat again, the model number is 2900. Okay guys, hope you understand the method. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments.